If your pump is vibrating or your compressor keeps going out of alignment, the problem might not be the machine. It might be your baseplate and grout. Baseplate and grout are the foundation of rotating equipment. And if this foundation is wrong, you get misalignment, vibration, bearing failure, seal damage. Most field problems actually start here. Slide 2. What is baseplate? Baseplate is not just a mounting plate. It performs critical functions, maintains alignment, distributes loads, resists vibration, provides stiffness. It connects equipment to foundation. This is your load path. Slide 3. API 686 philosophy. API 686 gives the correct installation sequence: foundation preparation, baseplate leveling, grouting, alignment, vibration control. This is a system, not separate steps. Slide 4. Baseplate types. There are 3 main types: fabricated steel, most common; cast iron, better damping; sole plate for large machines. Selection depends on size, load, and application. Slide 5. Design critical points. Good baseplate must have flatness, stiffness, proper frequency separation, thermal expansion allowance, grout access. Poor design equals soft foot plus vibration issues. Top slide 6. What is grout? Grout fills the gap between baseplate and foundation, but it does much more. Transfers load, eliminates voids, adds stiffness, prevents vibration. Without proper grout, system becomes unstable. Slide 7. Grout types. 2 main types: cement grout, low cost, lower strength epoxy grout; high strength, low shrinkage, better vibration performance. For compressors, always prefer epoxy grout. Slide 8. Grouting process. Correct sequence is critical. 1. Foundation preparation. 2. Baseplate leveling. 3. Pre-alignment. 4. Grouting. Final alignment. Skipping any step equals long-term failure. Slide 9. Anchor bolts. Anchor bolts lock everything in place. Best practices: proper embedment, use sleeves, avoid bending, tighten in sequence. Wrong bolt installation equals baseplate distortion. Slide 10. Common failures. These are real field problems: voids under baseplate, missing grout under beams, improper curing, over-tightening, no thermal allowance. 90% vibration issues come from these mistakes. Slide 11. Equipment cases. Let's see real applications. Pump skid, soft foot issue. Compressor needs high stiffness plus epoxy grout. Lube oil skid needs chemical-resistant grout. Each system has different requirements. Slide 12. Interview questions. If you want to crack interviews, epoxy grout, high strength, low shrinkage. Alignment twice, before and after grouting. Soft foot, uneven support. Grout voids, vibration plus failure. Sole plate, independent leveling. Answer like this, you stand out. Slide 13. Golden principle. Here's the most important line: mechanical reliability starts at the foundation. If baseplate and grout are wrong, nothing else will fix the problem. Slide 14. Final takeaways. To summarize, baseplate provides stiffness, grout transfers load, bolts provide constraint, alignment ensures performance. Master this and you solve most field problems. If you want to become a strong engineer in oil and gas, you must understand installation, not just design. Like this video, subscribe for deep engineering content. Comment base if you want vibration case studies. See you in the next one.